As of Friday, January 23 ND, 2026, meteorologists are forecasting a major winter storm expected to affect large portions of the United States from Friday through Monday, bringing a combination of heavy snow, freezing rain, and sleet across several regions. The storm is predicted to begin in the southern and central plains, with snow accumulating in Kansas and mixed precipitation, including freezing rain, developing across the Red River Valley. Dallas is expected to start with rain that quickly transitions to freezing rain, while Arkansas, Louisiana, and Mississippi may experience prolonged periods of ice accumulation. Snow will intensify on the backside of the system, moving from the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles into Kansas, Missouri, and Arkansas. By late Saturday, heavy snow will spread into the Ohio Valley, including St. Louis, Kentucky, Indiana, and Ohio, with significant totals in Bowling Green, Louisville, and Indianapolis. At the same time, southern regions including West Tennessee, northern Mississippi, southern Arkansas, northeastern Texas, and northern Louisiana will likely experience extended freezing rain, creating hazardous conditions and potential power outages. On Sunday, a second area of concern will form across northeast Georgia, northwest South Carolina, North Carolina, and portions of Virginia along the southeastern slopes of the Appalachian Mountains, where cold air damming may result in ice accumulation exceeding half an inch. These conditions are expected to cause tree and power line damage and disruptions to daily life. Forecasting remains challenging, particularly in regions such as East Tennessee and the Northeast, where small changes in temperature or storm track could significantly alter snow and ice totals. Conservative forecasts from the National Blend of Models indicate ice accumulation near the Mississippi River could reach up to 1 inch, with smaller amounts in northern Louisiana, western Tennessee, and central Mississippi. Residents in these areas are advised to finalize preparations immediately. Snow totals in the central and northern plains are expected to range from 7 to 9 inches between Amarillo and Oklahoma City, with localized areas potentially receiving more than a foot. Wichita, Kansas may see at least 8 inches, Kansas City 3 to 6 inches, and St. Louis up to 10 inches. Southern areas, including Little Rock and Memphis, may experience a mix of snow, sleet, and ice, creating hazardous travel conditions. In the Ohio Valley, snow totals are projected at 6 to 10 inches in cities such as Lexington, Cincinnati, Columbus, and Dayton, while Indianapolis may see 8 to 9 inches. Sharp cutoff zones may result in large differences in snow and ice amounts over short distances, making forecasting particularly sensitive to small changes in storm track. In the Northeast, interior locations in Pennsylvania, upstate New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine are expected to receive significant snowfall exceeding 1 foot, while coastal cities including Washington, Baltimore, Philadelphia, New York City, and Boston may experience mixed snow, sleet, and freezing rain depending on temperature conditions. The European Ensemble model indicates a quarter of heavy snow from Oklahoma City and Bentonville into the Ohio River Valley, with southern regions such as Nashville and Memphis receiving more ice and sleet than snow. Across all affected regions, the storm may cause dangerous travel, power outages, and property damage, requiring residents to prepare emergency supplies and remain indoors during severe conditions. Extended freezing rain in the Mississippi Valley, Tennessee, and Arkansas regions may result in widespread outages and dangerous conditions for several days. Snow, while less life-threatening than ice, can still disrupt transportation, schools, and essential services, especially when combined with ice accumulation. Emergency management agencies emphasize vigilance, including stocking essential supplies, securing property, and ensuring backup power sources are available. While exact totals may continue to be refined in the coming days, the overall expectation is for a significant, widespread, and impactful winter storm affecting multiple states with heavy snow, ice, and mixed precipitation. Residents are urged to monitor reliable weather sources, follow local advisories, and take necessary precautions to ensure safety, as the storm progresses from the plains through the Ohio Valley and into the Northeast, potentially causing record-breaking snow in some areas and historic ice accumulation in others. This winter storm represents a serious hazard to communities across affected regions, and proactive preparation, careful monitoring, and attention to safety measures are strongly recommended to mitigate risks from heavy snow, ice, and power outages.